Hey there, my name is Miss Guy, and I will be your ACA 122 instructor for the semester. Hopefully you are excited and ready to start the fall semester. I know I am. As you can see on the screen, what you're looking at is our Moodle course. I just want to let you know you cannot access this until Monday morning. But my hope for sending you this video earlier is that you can kind of take a look at this and see what you're going to be looking at when Monday rolls around, which is the first day of class. You can see in the screen on the right-hand side of the Moodle page, there is a photo of myself and my family. So that is my husband, Mark. He is a firefighter and he also tends our family farm. My daughter, Marley, who is in the 6th grade and very busy with dance and aerial, which is sort of like gymnastics in the air. And then Kaysen, our little one, we call him Case. He's 5 and just started kindergarten a couple of weeks ago. He is our avid fisherman in the family. We all love to fish, but Kaysen is very dedicated to fishing. He loves to play Nerf guns, and if you're in my house, it's quite possible for you to get pelted by some Nerf bullets when you're walking around. So there's a little snippet of my family. I'm very proud of them. I love them very much. And you can read linked into the same email where this video is linked, a little introduction about myself and how I came to be where I am today. It's been quite a journey, as I'm sure you will have a story to tell as well. So let me get you started in ACA 122. This is college transfer success. Don't be alarmed because of the word transfer. Transfer simply means transferring away into either a job, an industry, a career, a university, further schooling. So essentially, college success is the focus of this class. I want to walk you through some things today, show you what to do on Monday, and hopefully calm you down if you're worried about anything that may come. So this video will also be linked in the top of the Moodle page. And then there is a clause in the top to just remind you, before you start doing any work in this course, make sure that you have your Nash Community College email account open. The email account and the Moodle account have to be opened in the same window. So we require that because we want you to check your email at least once every 24 hours. So if you do not have your email account open and you're not signed in, you will not be able to access some of the course assignments. We've done that on purpose, making you open your email account because part of this course is teaching you college success skills. Checking your email, staying in good communication with your instructors is a success skill. Other skills that we will talk about in this course have to do with studying, study techniques, memorization, test taking. We talk about career planning, college planning. If you plan to go on to another school after leaving us, we will research things on careers, how you need to prepare for your career in the future. We talk a lot about time management. Time management is the key to college success. And then a whole host of successful college student behaviors. I will tell you that you are going to get out of this class what you are willing to put into it. Some things may not be as of great interest to you because you may already know a lot about that, or you may already have that skill perfected. And then other things may interest you more because you need to work on that skill a little better, or you need to do some more research in that particular area. So sometimes you're going to have a week where, you know what, you're already an expert on this. Perfect, do the 2 assignments and move on. And sometimes you're going to have a week where you really spend some time delving into the content and learning a lot about yourself. The 3 links in the top of the course are the syllabus, which is something that you need to read and read it well. Reading syllabi in all of your courses is important. I will draw your attention to the way the grading works in this class and in the late work policy. So keep those 2 things in mind specifically when you are reading the syllabus. Then we have a due dates document. Obviously, that's important. Time management is the key to college success. You need to know when the deadlines are. The deadlines in this particular course for this semester are Sunday nights, no later than 11:55 p.m. I've sort of done that on purpose because most oftentimes students do a lot of work on the weekends. And so let's just get it done by Sunday. Please keep in mind that even though the deadline is Sunday night, I never expect you to be doing the work on Sunday night. I open units early and I expect you to get work done well before the deadline. So just keep that in mind. And then we have a grading breakdown document which shows you which assignments are worth 10 points and which assignments are worth 100 points, and then how those assignments break down into your final course grade. So you will see all of this on Monday morning. The first thing that you'll need to do is you'll need to click the Enrollment Verification section, and that is this gray bar, and you can open and close it by just a click of your mouse. So the first item here is an enrollment verification activity. That is how we record that you are attending for the very first time in an online course. It's 3-4 questions, basic questions, did you read the syllabus sort of things. And you'll answer those questions, and then you'll be prompted to do an online orientation. This is a short process that you will go through that will kind of give you tips and tricks and how-tos about Moodle and online classes. When you get to the end of the online orientation, it's going to produce for you a certificate. It'll have your name on it, and it'll also have the school year, which is 2022 to 2023. You'll download that onto your computer, and then you will upload it into this submission link right here. But you're already going to know how to use submission links because the orientation shows you how. Once you submit that certificate of completion in this submission link here, the course will open up for you. You'll then be able to see the ACA resources and materials section, which is just a series of informative things. You can go through them if you would like. That will be helpful for you throughout the semester. And then session 1 will open for you. Now session 1, I'll show it to you again, has its own directions video. It has its own set of assignments, and you're going to get information about session 1 on Monday morning from me. So check your email on Monday morning once classes kind of get started, and you'll have information from me on session 1 and a new video to watch to tell you about the work in session 1. One thing that I do want to be very clear about is I am here to help you. So if you have a question, if you have a concern, if you're confused, if you just have something going on and you don't know who to talk to, I'm your point of contact. Send me an email. If you would like to, come by my office if you're on campus. If not, email is fine. We can chat via email. We can chat face-to-face. We can have a virtual meeting. So using cameras and videos, we can talk on the phone. I want you to know that I'm here to support you in your journey this semester. Reach out to me. Let me know what you need. If you're not talking and communicating with me, I don't know the things that might be helpful for you. So reach out. I want to be very clear about that. And then the final thing that I will suggest to you, especially in Moodle, is to make sure that you are going up and down the Moodle page. So I'm going to show you here on the screen. I'm scrolling up and down. Be mindful of that. Make sure that you are scrolling up and down, clicking into sessions instead of getting into a click right mentality. Sometimes when students get in Moodle, I can't replicate it on my screen because I'm an instructor and my screens look a little bit different, but there's an option for you to click right, and it takes you to the different activities by moving to the right instead of using this Moodle page horizontally. And so I want you to make sure that you are going vertically up and down and not doing that horizontal click right stuff. So I'm just showing you here how you will move up and down into the Moodle page. If you ever get in a situation in something in Moodle and you don't know how to get back, you can always click this link up here at the top and it will take you back to the top of the Moodle page, and then you can move from there. Okay, I have taken up enough of your time. I just want to remind you, again, my name is Miss Guy. I'm your ACA instructor for the semester, and I am here to support you in your success. You guys have a fantastic weekend. Get some rest. Get excited because classes start on Monday.